today's video, we will be showing a high-performance hot melt polyurethane adhesive door laminating system engineered by Midwest Automation. These systems have an easy-to-understand interface and are designed to produce lamination safely and consistently day in and day out. This system includes the HGS2 414 hot melt glue spreader, the DI 4000 door skin and door core indexing system, as well as the RP4000-10 pinch roller press. This particular system is designed to produce 1 door per minute, but we also have other models available that can produce 2 to 3 doors per minute as well. If you'd like more information about these laminating systems, as well as other laminating systems, please contact Midwest Automation.